Hello, pouring art people. This week I'm going to take a little break from the records and do a canvas pour. Let me get you down and I'll talk to you about what the plan is. Real quick, let me go over my colors. Dioxazine Black by Amsterdam. The base is Titanium White, also by Amsterdam. I will be using the Hot Cinnamon I've used in the last two pours. And also the Pineapple Crush, but I have mixed it with Golden Poppy Prism Pour, also from Color Art. So this is Primary Elements Pineapple Crush mixed with Golden Poppy by Prism Pour to give it a little bit more of kind of a, I think of it as a sunflower gold instead of, you know, a real true yellow. This is Bordeaux Red, I believe it's called, by Arteza. And I'll double check that. If I'm wrong, I'll put the name in the description. But I mixed in a little bit of Dioxazine Purple to bring a little more of the purple out and make it a little deeper wine color. This is Cadmium Orange by Liquitex Basic. It's just straight up cadmium orange, nothing else mixed in. This is Phthalo Green, also by Liquitex Basics. And just straight up phthalo green this time, no blue mixed in. And then this is by Deco Art. It is Extreme Sheen Bronze. And I'm not entirely sure on the consistency of this one, but with metallics it's hard to tell. We'll find out how that works. So those are my colors. I'm not planning on putting, I'm not going to say I'm not going to, because I can't count the times I've had a YouTube artist say I'm not going to do this. And then like 2 minutes later, they do exactly what they said they weren't gonna do. So I'm not planning on putting any of these colors in the pattern. Now I am going to change up how I'm doing this because I'm already not happy with the way this is going on. Maybe one more little drizzle here. Okay. I've never done one like this where I'm trying to blend other colors into the background, so I don't want to be heavy on this black. For one, I'm hoping it doesn't mix in with the white and make gray. I really want some black in this, but I would prefer not to have any gray.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in too soon, colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Inside your heart lies a pearl. Within the smoke, our dreams reveal. We're not a part of this world. I'd call you Venus, 'cause that's how I feel. Take one step, like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the I love you. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, 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 celestial bodies. Oh, oh.
Spending time far away was never what I meant to do for us. Even though you're okay, I wish that I could give you all of me for you to save. When it gets dark, I'll take the blame for what we are. I'm not sure that we can keep getting out of emotion. Bide our time and proceed. Calculate in the equation. Spending time on my own. Oh, you never there to answer on your phone. Even though you're alone, I wish that I could hear the words for me to carry on my own, to get me home to where I've been.
At this point, I'm not even sure I want to do the pattern now. I kind of like it the way it is.
Calculate on the equation. All this time that we bleed to keep getting robbed of emotion. Lives fly by as we proceed to calculate, solve the equation. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Spending time far away was never what I meant to do for us. Even though you're okay, I wish that I could give you all of me for you to see. I'm not sure that we can keep getting robbed of.
Oh, and if you watch my last two videos, that's a different blue hair dryer. I'm returning the original one. So far, this one seems to be working good, which doesn't surprise me because I know other YouTube artists use this particular hair dryer. So I kind of thought I got a dead that bronze move a little. I am just not sure if I want to put more on top of this. All right. Be brave.
Illusion, try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show 'cause it's all that I know. It goes like, we're singing. It goes like, I guess it's been a while since I was told last. I can be like this and I can be like that. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion, confusion, yeah. Have you ever felt like you was on display? Every word you said just had to be explained. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion, confusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show 'cause it's all that I know. It goes like, we're singing.
Well, too much to keep it small.
It goes like, I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself.
Oh, that looks
I
interesting.
wanna hang with my
Together.
friends. Just wanna be myself. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show 'cause it's all that I know. It goes like, we're singing. It goes like, killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12
It's kind of cool, it's colorful, it's just also kind of a big mess. So let me fire up my phone to get your close up, and then I'm gonna call it good. Let me know what you think of it. Would you keep it? Would you try again another day? Trying to decide the lighting on this. But what I really wanted was just the green, gold, and black a little bit in the background initially. And these autumn colors, the red and the gold and the orange, to be the stars of the show. But the way the green and gold blended, they were a little more in your face than I'd intended. And then I had trouble getting the other colors in the pattern that I wanted over that, because it was the pattern I used was way different from what I originally planned. But there's going to be a lot of shimmer in this because the gold and the golden orange and the hot cinnamon and of course the bronze are all metallic. I mean, it's cool, it's busy, it reminds me of a really big floral print is what it reminds me of. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Hit that notification bell if you'd like to be notified when my videos come out on Fridays. And I will catch you later.